Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, November 12th. Hope you guys having a great day so far. Today, I just want to say thanks to all the vets out there and their families for all their service, their support, their dedication, and obviously their sacrifices that they all have to make or they have made for us. So to enjoy the freedoms that we currently have. So again, want to say thank you for our vets out there. Today, we got just one item on the economic calendar. We have the NFIB Small Business Index. This is an index that gauges the confidence for small businesses. And in September, we had the number at 101.8, which is a pretty good number here, and an increase to 102.4 for the month of October. So they did indicate in there. If you kind of look deeper into the report, we saw two things. The one that's been the constant throughout the whole thing is finding qualified applicants for their job positions. So those have been the biggest things for them is finding qualified applicants. Now, the other item, of course, has been a few of them have been touched by the tariffs and the trade negotiations and have been affected by that. So that's been a bit of a concern for them. But the one thing that's been a constant is finding qualified candidates for the job openings that they do have. So let's kind of jump ahead here to the headline news. The stocks are up so far this morning, and it's really taken its cue from anticipated speech that President Trump's going to be having before a group in New York, actually. So they believe there's going to be some relation to some of the trade talk. One was some of it could be about tariffs, maybe knocking them down the line, or at least kind of push them back a little bit on the autos for the European, or there could be also be some stuff about China as well, since we are supposed to be having expected date of a signing at some point for phase one, and maybe he might touch on that. So the market's anticipating a speech by him and are waiting to hear what he has, and anything could really happen. As he does, he'll probably have a written script, but President Trump also has been known to speak make off remarks off of it as well. So, and that could definitely move the markets. We do got several Fed members speaking today as well, so we could hear from those folks. But the big one today will be President Trump's speech from those in New York. Here's the bonds. Our mortgage-backed securities are currently down about 5 basis points. As you can see, we're kind of in this no man's land. We got a floor of support here at the Fibonacci level, and then of course we got the 100-day moving average above it. So right now we're kind of in between and could go really in either direction so far this morning here. As the stochastics indicating, we're kind of going into an oversold position, and that could help us out. And then on the Treasuries, we're kind of in a overbought position here, as you can see here, and still kind of sitting above this Fibonacci level here. And it's just a hair under 1.95 so far here as well. So rates are about the same what we saw on Friday. There's really not much change in terms of price differences what we saw on Friday. So rates should be about the same as what we saw then. Okay, so that's pretty much a wrap for the day. If you guys are looking to buy a refinance, I'd love to hear from you guys. I am a loan officer with Pinnacle Home Loans. I can certainly come up with a lot of solutions. So if you have been rejected at other lenders, don't let that discourage you. We have found ways to help out people. We have a variety of loans to help out for many different situations. Help people out in terms of their college financing for kids, to planning, to helping people get with financial freedoms, to retirement planning. I've even helped real estate investors from starting with zero to now owning quite a few properties. More than a dozen properties, and to get to that, you have to have a plan to get those. So please feel free to reach out, direct message me, or go ahead and email. Email will probably be the best, quickest way I'll respond, but I do respond. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. Look forward to see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.